How to build an AI app using Base44. First, open your web browser and go to base44.com. Then, sign into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, describe the AI app you want to build. For example, type, "Build an AI chatbot that answers customer questions, collects contact information, and recommends products through a simple chat interface." After entering your prompt, click Generate. Base44 AI will automatically create your app with pages, user interface components, and built-in functionality based on your description. Once your app is ready, review the generated design and customize it. You can edit the text, modify layouts, add new features, connect external services if supported, and adjust the overall appearance. After testing your app to make sure everything works correctly, click Publish. If prompted, connect your custom domain or use the temporary domain provided by Base44 to share your app online. That's it. You've successfully built an AI app using Base44. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, no-code tools, and easy tech guides.